Hi everyone, myself Himlatabad welcome you here. Today we would study about food. Okay, so we all know that food is an essential part of our lives. We cannot live without food and water, right? So food is very necessary and we need it daily. Daily. Our body needs food. Why? Because we need to grow healthy. That is why we need to eat food. And we need food to live, grow, and work and play. We get this energy from the food we eat. So, food gives us energy to live, grow, work, and play. All living things, humans, animals, we all need food. Without food, we cannot live. But do you know which type of food is necessary to eat? So, in this lesson, we would know that food is divided into three main groups, and the three main groups are really very necessary and very important in our meals in a day. So, first, we would know about those three different food groups. The first is energy giving foods, the second one is body building foods, and the third and last one is protective foods. So, let us come to every food groups and try to learn about them in detail. Our first group is energy giving foods. This name energy giving, it tells us clearly that these type of foods are providing us energy and we need energy to work and play, right? So the foods which give us energy to work and play are called energy giving foods. For example, potato, rice, sugar, bread, biscuits, butter, and ghee. These all types of foods give us energy to work and play. So, these all types of foods are called energy giving foods. Okay? Our next food group is body building foods. Body building foods. This name also tells us clearly that these type of foods are building our body. Okay? Eat these all types of foods help our body to grow and they all give us strength. So, the foods which help our body to grow and give us strength are called body building foods. Students, you know, body building foods always help us to gain muscles. Okay? And these type of foods are very important in our meals. Energy giving foods also, body building foods also. They help us to gain muscles and they also make our bones strong. So let us know about some examples. Fish, meat, eggs, beans, milk, pulses and peas. So these all are body building foods. Why? Because they give us strength and help our body to grow. And besides, they also help us to gain muscles and make our bones strong. Students, you should drink milk twice, because milk makes our bones strong. Okay, and milk is a body building food. Okay, next we would know about our third and last type of food groups, and the name is protective foods. This name also tells us that protective means something and some foods are protecting us, protecting protective us from something, against something, and which the protective foods protect us from diseases or illness, okay, any kind of sickness. So vegetables and fruits protect our body from diseases. They are called protective foods. Vegetables and fruits always protect our body from diseases. Diseases may be any like fever, any kind of flu, then any kind of disease. They all are diseases. Cold. And diseases also mean illness, sickness, okay. And this type of foods help us from falling ill, okay. If we eat this type of foods daily, then we cannot fall ill very often. We will become healthy. So here we have known that our food is divided into 3 main groups, and they are energy giving foods, body building foods, and protective foods. We have known what are energy giving foods along with the examples, body building foods along with the examples, and protective foods along with the examples. So vegetables, you know all the names of vegetables: cabbage, spinach, then broccoli, they all are vegetables. And tomato, cucumber, they all are vegetables. And you may include other vegetables also. Fruits, you know the fruits also. So all kind of fruits and all kind of vegetables protect our body from diseases. That is why they are called protective foods. They protect us. Milk is very important for growing children, so you should drink milk, okay. You never skip the meal, always drink milk twice. It makes our bones strong, and we have known that milk is a bodybuilding food. Peas, pulses, then nuts also, any kind of nuts, peanuts, almonds, they all are bodybuilding foods because they give us strength and help our body to grow. Along with, they help us to gain some muscles. Next, we are moving towards page 20. Put these food items in the correct groups. Here we have so many food items written, and we have to find out bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and protective food, okay. So I have found out, and I am going to read out them to you. Bodybuilding food: meat, peas, cheese, cashew nuts, okay. They all are bodybuilding food. Energy giving food: rice, ghee, chocolate, cake, bread, oil. These all types of foods are energy giving food because they give us energy to work and play. Third is protective food: orange juice, banana, carrot, spinach, apple, cabbage. Here you can see vegetables and fruits are here, so they all are protective foods. They protect us from various diseases. They always protect us. So we have known about 3 types of food groups, and next we are moving towards balanced meal. So in class 1 you already have known about balanced meal, and you know that what is a balanced meal. So I am going to repeat. A meal that includes different types of food items in the right amounts is called a balanced meal. Here you can see we need to eat small quantities of each type of food. But don't think that you need to take only this amount. No. You need to take the right amount, right quantities of each type of foods. Food means the all three types of food groups: bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and protective food. These all types of three types of food groups must be in our meals in a day. Okay, we should take them in the right amount in our meals every day. Then only we can have a balanced meal. So, what is a balanced meal? A meal that includes different types of food items in the right amounts is called a balanced meal. And we should have our balanced meal in every our meals every day. Okay? And we should not skip our any meals. We have 3 meals in a day. We have no need breakfast, lunch and dinner. So in these three types of meals we should have our balanced meal. Okay, so we have known about these three types of food groups that are necessary in every day of our lives. We must take them every day in the right amounts. But we must not forget that we should not drink water. We should drink water, and we should have a plenty amount of water every day, because drinking water helps us to digest the food we eat. We are eating foods but we are not drinking water, then our food will not digest. So we should drink water. Okay, and we should take plenty amount of water, and water helps us to digest the food we eat. It helps to throw away waste from our body. In earlier previous lesson we have known that the internal organ kidneys help us to throw away the waste from our body, and we need to drink water. If we don't drink water, kidneys they would not perform their job. Then we have dirt in our body that will not be thrown away by us. So we should drink water, and then kidneys will perform their task to throw away dust from our body through urine. Okay, so we have known about balanced meal and the three types of food groups. So today is enough for you, and next there will be a second part of this video so soon. So wait for my second video. Hope you have liked my video and enjoyed also. So till now this is your lesson, and try to understand about the three types of food groups and a balanced meal. Thank you. Bye bye.